Master your vocabulary. Replacing words with synonyms. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are delving deep into a very exciting aspect of language learning: synonyms. Our main focus will be on how you can diversify your speech and writing by replacing words with their synonyms in sentences. This is a fantastic way to elevate your English language skills and sound more fluent. So, let's jump in. Before we start replacing words in sentences, let's make sure we all understand what synonyms are. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings. They can be used interchangeably in many contexts. For example, the words happy, joyful, content, and pleased are all synonyms. They all convey a similar feeling of positivity and satisfaction. Understanding and using synonyms can significantly enhance your language skills. They allow you to express yourself more accurately and diversely, prevent repetitions, and make your conversations or writings more interesting. For instance, instead of using happy all the time, you can say elated, ecstatic, or overjoyed, depending on the degree and type of happiness you wish to express. Now that we understand the concept and importance of synonyms, let's get some practice. We'll start with a sentence and replace one word at a time with a synonym. This will help demonstrate how the sentence's meaning remains essentially the same, while it becomes more colorful and nuanced. Original sentence. The boy is very happy because he received a large gift. 1. First replacement. The boy is very joyful because he received a large gift. 2. Second replacement. The boy is very joyful because he received a substantial gift. 3. Third replacement. The lad is very joyful because he received a substantial gift. As you can see, the sentence's basic meaning hasn't changed, but the use of synonyms has made it more vibrant and expressive. Now, it's your turn. Try replacing words with synonyms in the sentences you use in daily life. Remember, the goal is not to replace every word but to create more variety and depth in your language usage. Don't hesitate to use a thesaurus or online resources to discover new synonyms. And that's it for today's lesson on replacing words with synonyms. I hope you found it insightful and helpful. By using synonyms more effectively, you'll be able to make your English more dynamic and engaging. Remember, language is an art, and with synonyms, you can paint a more vivid picture. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.